What's up, everybody? Sure shot right here. Brought the BEBOP2 out after a repair of the central cross on a snowy day. See how it's handling. It's hovering really well. We got some wind out here, about 8 miles per hour though, but it's good in it. Doing fine. Just hovering. See how it's doing. Got the little sunset up, sunrise. But it's doing good, doing fine. I was handling that wind. I'm cool with it. Got a little shaky shake right there, but other than that, I don't see what's going on. I guess it's switch between propellers, depending on which propeller taking the most wind. But yeah, that's it. After the fix of the central cross, GoPro stop.